can't use WhatsApp on your PC because of the WhatsApp.exe system error, cannot proceed ffmpeg.dll was not found error? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this error and get back to chatting. So, let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Repair and reset WhatsApp. To do this, first open Settings. Then click on Apps from the left side menu. After that, click on Installed Apps. Now, find WhatsApp and click the three-dot icon next to it. Next, click on Advanced Options. Now, scroll down a little and click the Repair button. Once that's done, click the Reset button. Then click on Reset from here. After that, check if the error is fixed. Solution 2. Reinstall WhatsApp. For this one, click on the search icon. Type in WS Reset. Then click on WS Reset from the search result. Once Microsoft Store opens up, restart your computer. After your PC turns on, right-click on the Windows icon from here and select Installed Apps. Now, find WhatsApp and click on the three-dot icon next to it. Then click on Uninstall. And after that, click on Uninstall again. Once uninstalled, open Microsoft Store and search for WhatsApp. And then install it. Once installed, the error should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the WhatsApp.exe system error cannot proceed if ffmpeg.dll was not found in WhatsApp on your PC. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.